Hello, I'm Thomas Hernandez, and welcome to Clean with Confidence. I can't find clean clothes to wear, piles of junk everywhere. Late for work and in despair, this is gonna make me pull out my hair. Oh no, where did they go? Oh no, where did they go? Oh, how my room is such a mess. I need to clean it so I can get dressed. Ta-da! I magically figured out how to get dressed. Okay, so step number one for how to clean the bedroom. First things first, let's pick up the mess. So you got dirty clothes lying around. Take your dirty clothes, throw them in the laundry room or put them in a laundry hamper somewhere. Go around, pick up any dirty dishes you have lying around. Take those dirty dishes to the kitchen, put them in your dishwasher. And if you have any trash lying around, now's a good time to go ahead and throw the trash away into your trash can. Second thing you want to do is just pick up things that do not belong. So, I got some hummingbird feeders. They don't belong here. I got a couple of cans of spray paint. They don't belong here either. Dressers, nightstands, desks. Go ahead and start tidying everything up. You got pencils and papers laying around on the desk. Put those papers neatly, put them in a drawer, put your pens in the drawer, stick them in a little pencil holder where they belong, and just continue to pick up things that don't belong and put them away. Step number 3, let's go ahead and make up the bed. If the sheets are dirty, strip the bed, take the sheets to the laundry room, and put on fresh sheets. I recommend changing your sheets every 2 weeks. If your sheets are already clean, then just forget that, and let's go ahead and just make the bed up. Now that the mess has been cleaned up and the bed has been made, it's time to actually clean the bedroom. And what we're going to do is work our way from top to bottom. First thing you need to do, go around and check to see if you got any cobwebs. So, up here, here, the ceiling, a simple Swiffer Duster will do. You can extend it, make it a little longer. You can kind of move this flap around however you want. But this will do the trick if you have just a minimum amount of cobwebs. Go around. Now if you have a slew of cobwebs because the room hasn't been cleaned like in years, then what you can use is an actual brush to get the cobwebs down. So get one of these brushes right here and get you a pole, a separate pole. This is just like a painter's pole. You can use it for window cleaning. You can use it for a lot of different things. It's just a universal pole that you buy separately, but you can attach this brush to it by snapping it on just like that. And if you don't have a snap, then just hit the threads, just screw it on just like that. And what you're going to do is just use the brush instead of the Swiffer Duster. If you have popcorn ceilings, just like that. Obviously it's going to make a big mess, but heck, you haven't cleaned the bedroom in 5 years. What do you expect? Now depending on what room you're in, maybe you're in the living room. Heck, maybe you have skylights and you have really high ceilings and there's cobwebs up there and you need to get them down. Same tool, use the brush with the pole. This pole gets really, really long. Allow me to demonstrate. I'm clear across the room over here. I'm sitting here brushing your face, and I haven't even extended this pole to its full potential yet. The brush and the pole will be listed and linked down below. Next thing you want to do is you want to dust your ceiling fan and your blinds. So take your little Swiffer Duster here. All your dust is going to stick right here to this little microfiber duster. So dust your ceiling fan if you need to, right like that. See? Hit all your blades up here. Hit any cobwebs you got in between this area, in between your lights. Come over here to your blinds. Dust your blinds off real good. Next thing you want to do is just go around and dust all your dressers and your nightstands. For that job, all you need is a microfiber cloth. Top to bottom. Go through here and dust, dust your little knickknacks. Depending on how many knickknacks you have, the job could take a while, but just take your time and wipe them off real well. Wipe off all the dust. Allow me real quick to show you how to dust the lampshade. A lot of people don't know how to do this, and a lot of times you'll have dust, you'll have little cobwebs that'll start to form, and we need to get those dusted and get that cleaned up. So what you're going to do, take your microfiber cloth, and just like this, turn your lampshade, get your microfiber cloth. So before we move on to the floors, just finish dusting whatever you have left in your room to dust. So if there's like little picture frames on the wall or whatever, just take your Swiffer Duster, dust them off, dust off your little headboard here with your Swiffer Duster. If you have glass or mirrors on the wall, clean that glass. If you don't know how to clean glass or how to clean a mirror, I made a video on that. I'll leave a link to that video down in the video description box to this video. You click on it, check that out. So just, finish dusting whatever's left to dust, and then we can move on to the floors. And last but certainly not least, finish up with the floors. So we've made our bed, we've removed cobwebs, we've dusted, we've put the dirty dishes in the dishwasher, we've taken the dirty clothes to the laundry room. Now all we need to do, these carpets, vacuum the carpets, and if you don't have carpets, you have hardwood or whatever, sweep, vacuum, and then mop your floors, and that is how to clean your bedroom. So that's all I have for y'all today. If you liked the video, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more great content, and until we meet again, implement the steps I have outlined in this video, and you will be well on your way to becoming the domesticated cleaning savage that I know you are.